I'm Benny Herron.
And I'm Mercedes Alonso.
And I'm Michael Scott, and we're with the Father Engagement Unit. It's great to be here.
Yes, it is. I'm excited about
Yes.
today's topic.
Same here. So today we're going to be discussing how moms and dads approach parenting.
Most parents, I would say, specifically dads, can relate to having sort of a challenge when it comes to how the mother of their children responds to them, the way they're maybe holding the baby or playing with the baby and feeling like maybe they're doing it wrong. What do you guys think about that?
I think you're right that sometimes there's some women who think that we're going to break our kids. Mercedes, do you ever kind of feel like maybe we're being a little too rough and you get...
I think moms and dads have a unique way to parent. Moms have that nurturing side and are more sensitive, and dads are problem solvers and risk takers, and a child needs both things in their lives so that they can be well-rounded.
Right. I know that sometimes when my wife kind of corrects me with how I'm handling my stepson, I can withdraw and maybe just feel like, I'll just let her do it.
Okay. And we have to fight that impulse to respond to the women in our lives and remind them that we're not going to hurt our children, and we're there to love them and nurture them and ask for a little leeway to have some fun and relax. Let us do this.
It kind of reminds me of a meme I saw where the father's throwing the baby up into the air,
Mm-hmm.
and sometimes, the father thinks, I'm just throwing him 6 inches or a foot into the air, and the mother's wide-eyed thinking that you're throwing them up into the stratosphere, and really the truth is it's somewhere in the middle.
Right, and that's a great example because actually rough and tumble play actually leads to, adversity in how they deal with their emotions, how they learn how to problem solve and deal with conflict. So it's about balance, but we're not going to break our children. It's about the balance.
Right.
And that rough and tossing, it does help the child kind of have that novelty. But as a mother, we are protectors and we're nurturers. So when we see that, our instincts come in and we want to protect our child. So that's where that's coming from. But that's why it's so important to have both aspects of parenting.
So I understand the harsh and critical criticism, but you have to realize that criticism can build a wall between the parents. So just be mindful, fellas, that give them a little leeway and don't take it personal.
Do you think that could just be some of the worry talking?
Sometimes it could be some of that worry talk. Moms can be overwhelmed and overtired, and they're having to deal with work and also the family. So it could be both.
Okay, so it's really important for all parties, both mom and dad, to try to understand where the other person is coming from in this.
Absolutely. Communication is important. Both parents are bringing something to the table, which is so important from the child's upbringing. But I would tell fellas to listen.
All right, listen. And on that note, we're done. That's it for the day.
Right. So to learn more about father engagement, go to fairfaxcounty.gov and search father engagement.